From Turf-Tec International, the new Mascaro Infill and Cleat depth tester is designed as a testing instrument that will measure infill depth on synthetic turf, as well as cleat depth penetration on synthetic turf and natural grass or any other surface where cleats are worn by athletes. Measuring infill on synthetic turf is an important process to prolong the life and playability of the turf. It also ensures the playability of the surface reaches the optimum performance specifications. For testing infill depth on synthetic turf, simply install the infill depth foot, power on the unit, and place the unit on the area to be tested. Press down on the handle, and the unit will display and record the infill depth in 1/100th of an inch increments. Note, add 1.0 inches to the displayed reading in order to get accurate results. The display shows 376 here, so the infill depth is 1.376 inches deep. Measuring cleat depth will determine how athletes may perform on the area by measuring how the athlete's cleats will penetrate the surface of the area being tested. Testing cleat depth, install the cleat depth foot. Raise the center shaft up until it hits a stop, and drop the shaft. The unit will display the cleat reading in 1/100th of an inch increments, and also record the cleat depth reading in the free app if the device is connected to a Bluetooth device like a cell phone or tablet. This field shows a cleat depth penetration of 230 or 0.230 of an inch, which is just below 1/4 of an inch cleat depth on the Mascaro Infill and Cleat depth tester. Uniformity in athletic field infill depth and cleat depth penetration will ensure a safe athletic field playing surface. This device allows quick and accurate cleat depth readings over the entire playing surface. Simply place the unit on the turf surface, drop the device, and move to the next test location. Testing cleat depth is a playability variable that has not been tested for until the development of this unique testing device. The unit uses Bluetooth technology, and by utilizing the free version of the Spec Connect app, you can record readings in the app as you go. By subscribing to the paid version of Spec Connect, you can also GPS map the area you are testing. The Mascaro Infill and Cleat depth tester's overall height is 34 inches tall or 86 centimeters and can be used standing upright. Visit us at turf-tec.com for more information on this device or any of our testing equipment.